somebody asked me that where is the comment section on YouTube, and I'm like, you need to like scroll till the extreme end to be able to get comment on YouTube. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Browns TV and my name is Tosi Brown, and today I'll be talking about how to make use of YouTube effectively for general users, and I'm talking about non-creators. I know creators like me actually already understand one or two things about YouTube and the YouTube community and YouTube being a social media and all of that. So I went on a search trying to see if I could get anything that says, oh, this is how you use YouTube and all of that. YouTube is a social media like Instagram and any other social media platform. It's just a bigger platform that allows you to share longer videos and other things. So it is just like you having a mini network of your own self. Let me tell you the truth, YouTube is not for Africans. I'm not saying that there are not thriving channel on YouTube, that Nigerian channel or blogger or African channels. I'm just saying that we are not used to this particular app, and a lot of people some people don't even know that YouTube exists. If you're not using a smartphone, how do you even know that you have YouTube? So most Nigerians don't even know, aside the fact that most people now learn how to do things on YouTube, like makeup, baking, creativity, painting and all of that. YouTube would have been nothing for most people, but YouTube is a bigger platform and it is where you can learn a lot of things. You can take courses on YouTube, you can follow a seminar on YouTube, and you can do a lot of things, like a whole lot of things. So guys, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, click the bell button for notifications, and share with your friends. How do you use YouTube? Right? I can't imagine somebody coming up to me and saying, oh, I didn't get white comment. A lot of people come into my DMs on my social media platforms or my personal page, and they're like giving me the feedback to my videos right there, and I'm like, everything on YouTube actually counts. The likes count, the comments count. They all help in the analytics and help in growing your videos. So if these comments are not dropped on the videos, it doesn't make any sense. Now, most people don't even know how to like subscribe to a channel they're interested in, or even comment on a video that they have something to talk about. First thing first, technically almost every phone comes with a YouTube app. So once you have a YouTube app, the next thing you need to get is a Gmail. If you have a Gmail, you don't have to have a channel per se before you can make use of YouTube. All you need to do is, once you see a channel you like and you want to subscribe, it will ask you, Gmail do you want to use to like log in, because you need to log in. So once you log in with your Gmail, once you log in with your Gmail, you can do anything you want to do. So you just press subscribe. There is a bell button beside in case you need to get notifications about that channel. You just click the bell button and it drops notifications for you once that channel drops any video or anything at all. Also, some people get confused about which one is like and which one is dislike. When you see the button that goes like this, it actually means like, and this means dislike. And I find it, and most of the time I get confused, like, why would you ever dislike a video somebody took a whole chunk of time in creating and putting on that platform? I just feel, if you don't like a video, don't like it at all. Why do you have to put the thumbs down button? Just to make the person feel like their work is not good enough, which is not good at all. So when you want to drop your comments, this also happened to me when I started using YouTube. I didn't know that the comments is at the extreme end of the page, so I went like scrolling and I'm seeing other videos related to the videos I'm watching, and I'm confused that I think there is no comment section on this thing, but really there is a comment section at the end of that page. So you just keep scrolling to the end and you see your comment section where you get to comment as the user of the Gmail. So comment section is always at the extreme end of the page of the video you're watching. So you can join the YouTube community by replying to other people's comments or dropping your own comments. How do you share a link? When you like a video or you want to share with your friends or you want to share with your colleagues, or you feel it's informative enough for your family or your partner, all you need to do is there is a button that goes this way, like an arrow that goes right. It means share. Then it brings options of how you want to share. Do you want to copy the link, or you want to send directly to any of your other apps like your WhatsApp, your Instagram, your Facebook, LinkedIn, any other app you have that allows you to send that link? You can just click it and it brings out the entire option. Most of the time I prefer to copy the link and paste it to share. How do you download content on YouTube? Most of the time YouTube won't allow you to download content, and that is because the creator of that video has blocked you from downloading a content. What you need to do is, if you see the download sign is crossed, it means the creator has blocked you from downloading the video. No. But if it is not blocked, it means you can always download the video. But once you download directly from YouTube, you only get it on your YouTube folder. You cannot have it like a main video or anything. But if you want a main video, the main video you have to do is copy the link, go to save from net, open another website, save from net, and then insert the link, and it gives you options of which size do you want to download, which quality do you want to download, 480p, 720 and 320, and of course I go for the highest quality. It depends on how much MB you have to spare. So you click it and you get your video live and direct. It stores in your gallery and you can access it anytime. How do you watch video offline on YouTube? It's simple. Download for offline use, and it is advisable that once you download any video for offline viewing, you should off your data when you're viewing it, because you cannot use up your data in saving it for offline view and then you're using your data all over again to watch it online. What are you thinking? Alright guys, and that is that on how to use YouTube as a non-creator. I hope it was helpful. I hope you find this video really helpful. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section. You know where the comment section is now. Just scroll down and you find the comment section. Drop it in the comment section below, and I'll see you in another edition of Browns TV. Have a lovely time. Don't forget to follow me on social media at @IAM_TosinBrown on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and TikTok at @IAM_TosinBrown is the handle. So much love guys. Bye bye.